Let's open up that weather window this half hour and take a peek outside live from Carter Mountain looking off towards the west. A little bit of patchy fog along the Rivanna River there in the distance. It is quite hazy as we look towards the Blue Ridge Mountains. More hazy than usual as we're going to see a very high dew point and relative humidity. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick on this Sunday for Charlottesville and Central Virginia. This is your first forecast. Temperatures rising to the 90s by late morning, midday. So if you have to walk the dog, take a jog, do it before 11 a.m. if you can. Daytime highs well in the 90s with only a sparse storm chance by the end of the day. I think most areas will stay rain-free today. Likewise for the Shenandoah Valley, 70s to start, 90s by midday and beyond. A little hotter with the heat index, but the heat index really begins to increase tomorrow. That is why we have declared Monday and Tuesday first alert weather days. Let's take a look at the graphics now. We're talking about excessively hot conditions. I know it's July. It's the dog days of summer, if you will. It's supposed to be hot, but not this hot. In the shade, it's going to be 95 to 100 degrees. That's where official numbers are taken, by the way. With the high dew points, the high relative humidity, it's going to feel like 103 to 108. So it's going to be dangerously hot. So if you can, seek the shade, stay hydrated, stay in the air conditioning, hit the pool, and obviously put on that sunscreen. 29 First Alert Doppler is high and dry. No showers, no thunderstorms, but there could be a couple of them pop up with the general principles of the heat and the humidity and the terrain around here. There could be one or two of them begin to pop up. But the main storm track is staying well to our north from the Great Lakes into the northern plains and into the northeast. Eventually, some of that will begin to head our way, but not for several more days. So excessively hot Monday, Tuesday, and also Wednesday. Highs of 95 to 100, heat index exceeding 103 degrees. Now by, say, Thursday, Friday, and next weekend, it won't be nearly as hot with several rain chances. So on our higher res weather tracker, it shows little to no storm activity this evening at 6 p.m., quiet overnight, and then tomorrow morning's quiet. End of tomorrow morning, late day, there could be a couple of little showers and downpours beginning to pop up. And if it does rain in your neighborhood, it won't last very long. And also on Tuesday, most areas stay rain-free. That's why I do expect us to perhaps reach 100 degrees officially. So we'll see about that. And then Thursday, Friday, into next weekend. This is Wednesday through Saturday's rainfall amounts. They're going to be highly variable. You know, it all depends on how many downpours your neighborhood receives, but it does look like we will all get at least some beneficial rain. Forecast today in the 90s, hot sunshine and humid. Tonight, mild and muggy, low 70s by dawn. Highs tomorrow, first alert weather day in the 90s. Hot and humid conditions, heat index of greater than 103 degrees. So let's take a look at the temperature comparison. If the temperature is 95 outside in the shade, your heat index is over 100. Inside your vehicle, it'll be 120 degrees or higher, and the asphalt will be greater than 130 degrees. So make sure you walk the dog in the grass because it could be very hot for their paws. 7-day forecast. First alert day on Tuesday, 100 degrees. In the 90s Wednesday, scattered showers and storms will put an end to this heat wave at the end of the week. Destiny.
Thank you so much.